Do you want to know how you can change the saved location in Photodirector? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the saved location in Photodirector. Go ahead and open Photodirector, which is in your phone. Wait for a while and you can click allow and your camera will open up. So if you don't want to start with camera, go back and then it will open this page over here. Go ahead and click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner. Scroll down and you can see save location. Tap on it and you can choose local or SD card. So after choosing local, it will be changed to local and it is under storage / emulated 0 DCIM and Photodirector. So it's inside your DCIM in Photodirector. Now to change it, go ahead and click save location and click SD card. So if you have a SD card location, click SD card and you can select in which part of SD card should you save your edited photos from Photodirector. So this way you can change your saved location in Photodirector quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.